Okay, so today what we're going to do is we're going to replace the old original new-toned PC board with the replacement PC board shown on Central Vacuum Direct. Step one is to take the screws out of the old PC board. Then we're going to take out the breaker. Okay. Now what we do is take off the wires to the back of the switch.
Central Vacuum Direct, start speaking, how can I help you?
Alrighty. Okay. Now what we do is we take those and we cut them all out. We'll cut all the wires out, the plug, the power wires, and the motor wires.
Hold on.
And the low voltage wires. Okay. Now we'll pull this out right here. That's your low voltage. We're not going to use that because it's on the board. Okay, now the next step we're going to do is drill the holes for the new board, which is right in the same area, and using the screw hole from the old board. We use a step drill. First we're going to drill the two lower pieces on the board. Get a starter hole. Okay. Now we'll use a step drill. The top one is 5/8. Okay. Okay, then we do the lower ones, which are approximately 1/2 inch on the step drill. He'll mark it on the drill so he knows how far to go in. Now what we do is we size it up, make sure it's going to fit in there. That one stays in. Okay. Now we'll put this in here like this. Sometimes you gotta make it a little bigger because it's not quite big enough. That's okay. We'll just make it a little bigger. Step drill. One more size larger. Go. Finally get it. Get everything to fit in. Now we put our nuts on there. Okay, now we go to the wiring part. Okay, so the white wire and the black wire goes to each motor.
I don't know where, but I got some glucose.
You'll cut that off and strip it.
However, dude, I went to look how much I like. Those balls get like a case. Oh, let's say no shit and $53 for a package of like a real chip, man. Yeah, no shit.
I find the blue ones to be kind of bland. Maybe it's just because they weren't root
I
size.
like it, yeah. I do like it, yeah. Yeah, somebody gave it to me for some reason, and I just tried it out. I said, you know what?
So we're back with our wiring here. We're going to cut these wires so we get them ready to go. That's right off the PC board and the motors. Now we will connect everything after he gets that all ready to go here. You'll do this at home with your wire nuts. Okay, so that's motor to PC board. Now this one's white wire, neutral wire to motor. Okay, that's one motor. Now we do the next motor. Same way. Okay. Now we do our neutral, motor neutral. Okay, now we have our motors all set, ready to go. Now we have our power cord that we're putting in on the PC board. You have your black wire on the bottom. Just, you may have to put these clips on, these spade clips, and then the neutral wire from the cord on the top of the PC board. There's 2 left, and that is for the switch. The yellow wires are for the switch. There's one. Get the other one on there. Okay, now it's completely wired. All you have to do now is tidy up your wires a little bit, put a clip on them so they don't hang all over the place. And this concludes the install of the PC board, 2-motor PC board. Thank you. Okay, now we're gonna, after concluding, we're gonna do a test just to make sure everything works correctly. So we go ahead and plug it in. Okay, then you can use your switch on the side here to test it. You can see that the green light is on the PC board. So now you can test where your low voltage comes out. That would have been where your 2 wires were hanging out, the yellow wires. That's where those wires go in now from your house.